Hello, Surfex Interior Film. You want your desk wrapped? Yeah, we can do that. You want a quick demonstration? Okay, I'll be on it right in a second. Bye. So, let's wrap this desk in a nice wood. Again, going to do this one similar to the one that I've done the door. Just trim the vinyl down so it's a bit easier to work with. Take it down a bit more. Makes it a bit more manageable. Make sure you've got enough over. Let's move this. Yep, all good to go. Before we do that, we'll take these little bits off. Then you can cut right up to the edge of the desk and put them back after it's wrapped. What's good as well with all these finishes, there's so many different wood effects, wood grains. You can go back looking like old school desks, go back to the 80s. On this one we'll do the same as the door. Cut from the corner. Again, put your wrapping glove on just so you can get a nice tight edge on that corner. Pushing it down and pulling the vinyl. And what I tend to do is, once it's done that, use your squeegee to push it along the main edge. And again, fold and stretch around there whilst cutting off straight. I'll come round and show you from the front in a minute. So again, what to do, let's do that long edge first. So yeah, pull that edge around there, and obviously at the minute it's angled. So what I tend to do is just cut that off nice and straight, so that when that bit of vinyl goes over it, if you do see anything, it's a nice straight edge rather than having an angle. Same with this one. out, wrap that edge. Again, cut that off there, nice and level with the desk. Just tends to look neater. There's probably two options you could do here. You could cut it with the bottom part of the desk, or if you wanted to, just so it feels a little bit more secure, just cut these corners away. And the other side. And then tuck that bit under, so then what you've got more vinyl obviously sticking to the desk. Because obviously sometimes if you cut just on that edge, it could sometimes catch and lift up. Again, just trim round any little bits in the way. These are just some of the legs. And the vinyl sits nice and flat. And then same with that, trim the edge. Take the corners away. And then I'll just tend to push it in with a nice hard plastic squeegee. So that's right against the edge. Trim off any excess. And the last bit to do is cut out where these went for your cables. And you can put them back. And it will just simply look like a wooden desk if it's been like that the whole time. What I might do is just put a little bit of heat in the corners. Again, just moulds it around there a bit better. There we have one new wrapped desk.